after we have loaded our data frame into Pandas, we would sometimes need to loop through all the rows, and that's something that is not so simple. So luckily we have Lambda expressions, which are very easy to use, and they're incredibly powerful. So we will use Lambda expressions to loop through the rows of a Pandas data frame. And the notation is the following. I would be generating a new column, which will be modify ID2. It will be equal to the data frame that I will be applying the Lambda expression, dot apply. And here I am defining the Lambda expression. I need to define not only the Lambda expression, but also what would be the axis where I would be applying this. So axis 1 refers to the rows, axis 0 refers to the columns. So in my case, I would like to loop through the rows. That's generally the way we would like to loop through data frames. So the Lambda expression requires this notation. We need to specify what's the input of the Lambda expression. In my case, I said it's x, and then I will be running a function over this x, pulling the modif underscore ID column. So you might be wondering, what is x? So x will be passed here as birth. So you can see that I'm doing birth.apply. So birth will be transformed here into x, and x will be parsed by the regular expression, and it will be assigned here. So here this is equivalent to having birth. So after this gets replaced, I execute this function on every row. You can think that these are equivalent to our apply functions, in case you know some R. But anyway, so after this function gets called, the value is passed here, and the function decides whether this is larger than 50 or not, and then a value is returned. So if we run this, in my case, I will be using person column. So now you can see that I generated this new column, which has either 50 or 1 plus the person ID. So 60, 61, 69. So as you can see, Lambda expressions can be super powerful, and we can pass multiple arguments here if we wanted. We could have done something like this, and passing, for example, x born, and do something more complicated.